Top 9 education institutes of United States. Mike Bloomberg Education, MikeBloomberg.com. Stay up to date on the latest education initiatives from Mike and Bloomberg Philanthropies. See what it takes to improve education and help students succeed. See Mike's moral record. Bloomberg Philanthropies Education in America. Our education program expands college access to talented lower income students. Learn more about broadening educational opportunities for young people, improving clean energy, public health updates, strengthening education. Top education programs, ratings, and reviews. Find the best adult and continuing education graduate school for you at niche.com. Learn more about programs through ratings and Pepperdine University scholarship available. In this 32-unit program, you will receive a well-rounded and comprehensive course offering. Best universities in the United States 2022 Times Higher Education. Compare 181 top US universities and colleges ranking in THES highly respected league at the heart of the US college rankings as a student survey. Best graduate education schools ranking in 2022 US News. Teachers College Columbia University. Teacher College Columbia University #9 in best education schools US News Grade Campus. 2022 Best National Universities. Compare the top national universities in the US. Learn more about the best national universities to find the right school for you. What are the 9 colonial colleges? Which college has the best education program in the United States? What university is ranked number 1 in the US? Which is the number 1 institute of the world? College and university rankings in the United States Wikipedia. The Council for Aid to Education publishes a list of the top universities in the terms of annual. 10 of the oldest universities in the US. It is not considered a colonial college as it was not an officially chartered higher education institution until 1833 after the American Revolution. 9 top universities offering free online courses. With so many established higher education institutions now offering free online, one of the largest universities in the United States. Colleges list: Harvard University, Stanford University, Princeton University, Massachusetts University, Yale University, Columbia University, University of California, New York University. 10 US universities offering top distance education. 10 University of Pittsburgh, 9 University of Maryland, 8 The Ohio State University, 7 Boston University, Georgia University. Education in the United States of America, WENR, WES. The reputation and diversity of its higher education system along the opportunities to work in the country are among the top reasons that United States Code 178.99 Stat 105.857 disbursements whenever money is required for the payment of the debts or performance of the contracts of the institution.